Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster, $7,800, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The 1975 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster is a classic American V-twin that continues to be admired for its timeless styling, strong performance, and unmistakable ironhead character. Well-restored examples remain highly desirable among Harley enthusiasts who appreciate both originality and rideability. According to the seller, this Texas bike has undergone an extensive refurbishment, including a fully rebuilt engine with fewer than 10,000 miles, a powder-coated frame, and numerous cosmetic improvements. It starts easily, runs exceptionally well, and includes 2 seats along with additional leather accessories and a spare front fender, making it an impressive vintage Harley package. Number 2. 1979 Triumph Bonneville T140, $5,000, Muscatine, Iowa. The 1979 Triumph Bonneville T140 is one of Britain's most recognizable classic motorcycles, celebrated for its parallel twin engine, timeless styling, and engaging riding experience. Original Bonnevilles from this era remain popular with collectors and riders alike, thanks to their enduring appeal. According to the seller, this example is a good running motorcycle that has seen only limited use in recent years. While the clutch slips under higher gears and may require some attention, it remains a solid original bike that offers an excellent opportunity for someone looking to enjoy a classic Triumph with only minor mechanical work. Number 3. 1975 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $3,000, Jonesville, North Carolina. The 1975 Honda Goldwing GL1000 holds a special place in motorcycle history as the very first year of Honda's legendary Goldwing lineup. Known for its smooth, flat-4 engine and long-distance comfort, the GL1000 remains a favorite among vintage touring motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this second-owner example has recently received rebuilt carburetors, new seals, and a new battery. It also includes the original seat, a newer replacement seat, a windjammer fairing, canvas saddlebags, and an owner's manual. Although the brakes will need attention, this first-year Goldwing presents an attractive opportunity for collectors and riders alike. Number 4. 1971 Norton Commando, $4,000, Hanover, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Norton Commando is one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever built, respected for its impressive handling, powerful parallel twin engine, and legendary featherbed-inspired design. These motorcycles continue to attract enthusiasts seeking a true piece of British motorcycling history. According to the seller, this example is equipped with an 850cc engine, while the original engine is also included in the sale. With a clean title, good paint, nearly new tires, and a motorcycle that runs and shifts properly, this Commando offers an appealing combination of originality and future potential. Number 5. 1972 Yamaha XS2, $4,900, Independence, Kentucky. The 1972 Yamaha XS2 helped establish Yamaha's reputation for producing reliable and enjoyable parallel twin motorcycles inspired by classic British designs. Early XS models remain highly regarded for their simple mechanics, dependable performance, and timeless styling. According to the seller, this freshly restored example has undergone a comprehensive rebuild that includes suspension, braking, engine, ignition, fuel system, and drivetrain upgrades, while retaining its original fuel tank and side cover paint. With the restoration already completed and a clear title included, this XS2 is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Number 6. 1976 BMW R90/6, $5,400, Mason, Michigan. The 1976 BMW R90/6 is a classic airhead that has earned a reputation for dependable performance, comfortable touring, and timeless boxer twin engineering. These vintage BMWs remain highly respected for their durability and smooth riding characteristics, making them a favorite among long-distance enthusiasts. According to the seller, this example has been owned for more than 12 years and features Lester wheels, Krauser touring bags, a battery tender, and Michelin Pilot tires with plenty of tread remaining. With a clear Michigan title and a reputation for being ready to ride, this R90/6 is an appealing choice for anyone seeking a well-kept vintage BMW.
Number 7. 1979 Kawasaki KZ650SR, $2,000, West Lafayette, Indiana. The 1979 Kawasaki KZ650SR is a well-balanced middleweight classic known for its reliable inline-4 engine, sporty handling, and everyday usability. KZ650 models continue to be popular among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts thanks to their strong performance and straightforward maintenance. According to the seller, this motorcycle has received brake servicing, carburetor cleaning, an electronic ignition conversion, and upgraded rear shocks. The original handlebars, carburetors, and toolkit are included, along with a clean title and a spare parts bike, giving the next owner plenty of options for future restoration or maintenance.
Number 8. 1979 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead, Custom, $9,500, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. The 1979 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead is an iconic American touring motorcycle that combines classic V-twin performance with unmistakable vintage styling. Custom shovelheads remain highly desirable thanks to their unique appearance and strong presence on the road. According to the seller, this California-owned motorcycle has been extensively customized with detailed paintwork, a custom leather seat, fishtail exhaust, and numerous cosmetic upgrades while remaining well cared for throughout its life. With low rebuild miles, fresh servicing, a new battery, electric start, and the original build documentation included, this shovelhead is an eye-catching custom that's ready to enjoy.
Number 9. 1960 Harley-Davidson XLH Ironhead Sportster, $4,000, Frederick, Maryland. The 1960 Harley-Davidson XLH Ironhead Sportster is an early American classic that continues to attract enthusiasts with its raw mechanical character and timeless custom potential. Early Ironhead models are especially appreciated for their vintage styling and unmistakable Harley-Davidson heritage. According to the seller, this example starts easily, runs well, and has been upgraded with a cycle-electric 12-volt generator, modern front-end components, and a new battery. Although it currently needs brakes installed before returning to regular road use, it includes a clear title and offers an excellent foundation for a classic chopper or restoration project.
Number 10. 1979 Suzuki GS750, $1,000, Sullivan, Wisconsin. The 1979 Suzuki GS750 is one of the standout Japanese four-cylinder motorcycles of its era, admired for its dependable engine, smooth performance, and classic styling. These motorcycles remain popular among vintage bike enthusiasts because they offer an excellent platform for restoration or customization.
According to the seller, this example was previously modified after being purchased through Marketplace, but time constraints have prevented the project from being completed. With a title in the seller's name and an affordable asking price, this GS750 presents an interesting opportunity for someone looking to bring a classic Suzuki back to life.